Hello everybody and happy holidays. You know, it's hard to believe that we're already entering the last month of 2023. It's amazing how fast time just flies when you're having fun. I know it's not been an easy year and it's not been all fun and games. I get that, I understand that, but it's still gone fast. It's been a lot of hard work for most of us, to be honest. But the good news is your hard work is paying off and we are seeing growth in many areas around the world, but not all. So there's still much work to be done. During my travels, I see true motivation, loyalty, commitment, and a love for our products from all of you. And for that, I want to say thank you. Thank you for maintaining your momentum and your connection to each other, the products and the marketing plan. Today, I would like to present you with some exciting news. Are you ready? Drum roll, please. Da, 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 da. I want you to get ready for a transformative start to the new year. So we have some new policies and incentives aimed at fostering growth and driving achievement in 2024 and beyond. So what does this mean? I can't think of a better way to kick off the new year than by expanding our Chairman's Bonus Program. We're going to open the Chairman's Bonus Program to every single operating company. That means anywhere in the world you can now qualify for Chairman's Bonus starting in 2024. That means it's open to every single one of you. We will no longer require countries to qualify to participate in the Chairman's Bonus incentive. So while we're on the topic of Chairman's Bonus, this brings me to update number 2. To enable more of you to be involved in the Chairman's Bonus Program, we have implemented a global rally travel criteria for those achieving Chairman's Bonus going forward. So, starting with Forever Global Rally 25, Chairman's Bonus qualifiers must earn a minimum of 1,000 global case credits to receive airfare, meals, lodging, and spending money. So to clarify, if you qualify for Chairman's Bonus between 700 case credits and 999 case credits, you no longer qualify for travel to the global rally. But if you qualify over 1,000 case credits, you receive airfare, meals, lodging, and spending money, and you will now arrive at the same day as the 1,500 case qualifiers for Forever Global Rally. So just to clarify, you can still qualify for Chairman's Bonus, of course, below 1,000 case credits, but the travel will not be included. I think we can all agree that Global Rally is an experience like no other. So we're giving you a year's notice now to work hard and make it to that trip by achieving greater than 1,000 case credits in your Chairman's Bonus journey. Speaking of trips, update number 3 brings us to the modification of the Global Rally qualification. And now remember, we're focusing on growth. To earn your trip to Forever Global Rally 25, we still require the minimum of 1,500 global case credits, but now we're adding the requirement that 50 of those case credits must be new. Now I know this sounds like an extra step, but we have confidence that the 50 new case credits will help motivate you to create growth for you, your customers, and your business. So finally, that brings me to our last announcement. And this is the one I'm really excited about. We have been thinking of ways to continue to help our FBOs to focus on growth and connect them to forever. So we are introducing an incentive opportunity. Starting at Forever Global Rally 24 in India, first-time Global Rally qualifiers will be invited to arrive one day early to enjoy India and to meet with the GLT and the executive team. This initiative will allow us to get to know you a little better and, of course, celebrate your great achievement. I am confident it will be a great experience for all of us. Wow, that's a lot to cover in a short amount of time. So let's do a quick recap. Number 1, everyone is now eligible for Chairman's Bonus regardless of where you live. Number 2, Chairman's Bonus qualifiers must earn a minimum of 1,000 global case credits to travel to the Forever Global Rally at the company's expense. Number 3, Chairman's Bonus qualifiers that are greater than 1,000 case credits will now come in a day earlier along with the 1500 qualifiers. Number 4, all Forever Global Rally qualifiers must earn a minimum of 50 new case credits, regardless of their level of qualification. Number 5, first-time Global Rally qualifiers of 1500 case credits and higher will come in one day early to meet with us and get to know each other a little bit better. So why have we made these changes? We truly believe, and after much consultation with the GLT and staff around the world, that this will help us all to focus more of our efforts on growth. So please stay tuned for more comprehensive details from your country offices on how these changes will elevate our journey together. Thank you all.